everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be baking non-alcohol fruit cake. You all, this is one of the best, so why wait? Let's get started. So here my lovelies, the ingredients are 5 cups all-purpose flour, 1 pound sugar, 1 tablespoon vanilla, half teaspoon ground cinnamon, half teaspoon salt, quarter teaspoon nutmeg, 3 teaspoons baking powder, 1 pound unsalted butter, browning, and here I have the fruits, guys. I have dates, remove the seed from dates, prunes, mixed peel, cherries, and raisins, and 6 eggs. Now I will give you a quick demo on how to prep your pan. So what I do, guys, I lay the pan on the paper, the grease paper, and I will use my scissors to cut into the shape of the pan. Now I will place it just like this. Very easy. Remember to grease your pan. Use some butter. Also for the sides, guys, grease lightly. And this is what I do for the sides. I fold the paper like this. Let's measure it up with the pen. Then I will just use a knife and you cut away at the sides like this. And there you got it, guys. So now we can go ahead and it is very easy, guys. No, very easy. And there you have a space right here. I will just use a smaller piece and use the grease to tap at the side like this. And you go again. So here we have it, guys. So for the fruits, y'all, for the fruits I usually pre-soaked the fruits, but I'm just gonna go ahead and use my blender to get them done. So I will add the grape juice to the blender. And then the fruits. So here you go, guys. Now that the fruits are perfectly blended, I will set it aside. To my mixer, I will add the softened butter. Mix and low for 3 minutes. Add sugar and cream until fluffy. Scrape the sides of your bowl. Add eggs and continue creaming. Now I will turn the speed a little higher. Let's get the sides another time, guys. I will now go ahead and add the browning. Let's continue to scrape the side, guys, that I can get everything incorporated. Add salt, cinnamon powder, nutmeg, and vanilla. Continue beating and low. Here I'm adding some more browning. I wanted it to be darker. Let's get the sides down again, guys. Continue on low speed. I will now go ahead and add some flour. Continue on low speed. Now I will scrape the sides again. So my lovelies, this is the last portion of the flour, to which I will add the baking powder. Combine well. So now let's add to the batter. Continue on low speed. My battery went out on me, guys, so I had to install a new one. So now we can continue. Wow, everything is well incorporated, guys. So now I will go ahead and drop the batter into the pan. And for the color, guys, you can always add extra browning to your desire. I think this for me is perfect, so let's go ahead and get them all done. So now I will be doing 2 8 inches, guys. Trying to get them on an even level, guys. So this was 6.5 cups and that one was 6.5 cups, and I can still scrape from That's perfect. So now just shake your pan like this to get it level. So we are going to bake, guys, at 350. Always preheat your oven. So this will be baked on 350. So my lovelies, this is perfect, and this is 2 8-inch baking pans. And here also I have a pan with water. So this I will put on the bottom rack that the cake can be steam baked. And I am telling you guys, these cakes are going to be just beautiful. So let's go over to the oven. You can go ahead and put the water first in. So I'll see you guys later. So here my lovelies, beautifully done, my non-alcoholic fruit cake, guys. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoy. So please leave me your comment, like, share, and subscribe. Subscribe. Bye.